Foam. It's everywhere, shaping the world in ways we don't always notice. From everyday packaging to advanced aerospace applications, foam materials make it all possible. Foam is a unique material where air is trapped within a solid matrix, forming a lightweight cellular structure. Foam generally falls into two main categories based on its applications. Everyday foams like polyethylene and low-density polyurethane are lightweight and great for things like packaging and furniture padding. This is what you probably think of when you think of foam. Then there are high-performance foams from Rogers Corporation, like viscosilicone foams and Poron high-density polyurethane foams, which are designed for mission-critical applications. These excel in extreme conditions, providing reliable solutions for gasketing, sealing, cushioning, and more. Foam is highly versatile, available in a wide range of sizes, colors, and firmnesses to meet diverse needs across industries. In the next video, we're going to learn about open cell versus closed cell foams.